Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. We're tracking a storm system that will move across Iowa as we head through the upcoming weekend. On the northwestern side of it, it is going to be cold and it's going to be a mess when it comes to snow. Winter weather advisory and winter storm warnings are in effect through the upcoming weekend. So if you have travel plans that will take you in that direction, you're going to have some trouble on the road with the snow and a little bit of wind. If you're traveling here in eastern Iowa, it's only going to be in the form of rain, and especially here during the day on Saturday and Saturday nights. So with that in mind, the wind in advance of that, it's going to be light during the overnight hours. But as we get into the day tomorrow, it's going to be a breezy day. Winds gusting to near 30 miles an hour, and it's a southeasterly wind. That southeast wind is more of a warmer direction. So as the storm tracks to the northeast, we'll get a south wind and a southeast wind with warmer temperatures. So as we head through the evening hours, if you're going out here this evening, not a problem. No rain expected around here through midnight, and even through most of the night it's going to be dry. Won't see any rain move in until maybe about 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. The leading edge of this pink shaded area, may be a little freezing drizzle initially. Shouldn't cause much in the way of any travel problems because it won't last very long, and temperatures continue to warm up, and so that moisture form of freezing drizzle just becomes light rain. And that'll continue through the morning hours. Here we are at lunchtime on Saturday. Light rain continues, but watch what happens after about 6 o'clock. There's a little band of some heavier rain, maybe even a couple of thunderstorms out to the west, and that could swing through the area during the evening hours. So by midnight Saturday night, we'll be dealing with the potential for some locally heavy rain. Now, most of this moisture is going to fall Saturday and Saturday night. Rain amounts a ½ inch to maybe 1.5 inches in some locations. Now, a lot of this moves out of the area by Sunday morning, by the time the sun comes up Sunday morning. So a lot of the rainfall will have fallen by then, and anything that does fall during the day on Sunday is going to be really light during the morning hours. And as we get towards the afternoon, there may be a little bit of drizzle. Temperatures still going to be up into the 40s and 50s around here during the day on Sunday. So we still have some mild weather, but not the dry weather or sunny conditions that we've had recently. We've got the rain. Now what happens is as the storm moves away, again, all the moisture is gone. As we get into Sunday night, Monday, some of that colder air wraps in, and there may be just enough moisture to produce a couple of snow flurries or a stray snow shower. No accumulation expected, but back to sort of reality when it comes to the temperatures. But again, areas north and west could be dealing with some snow. Here in eastern Iowa, not a problem. Temperatures will be snow accumulation, that's what I meant. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s, wind light tonight, but during the day tomorrow it's going to be a breezy day, gusting to 30 miles an hour. High temperatures between 46 and 51 degrees. Well, again, we'll have rain on and off. Could be a couple of rumbles of thunder, maybe a thunderstorm or two as we get into the evening and overnight hours here tomorrow. And then as you look at your city-by-city forecast, light rain or a little bit of drizzle, a possibility here on Sunday. Temperatures still mild, 40s, maybe even some 50s. And then as we look towards Monday, a light snow shower, a few flurries. This is not going to cause any travel problems at all. Little to no accumulation. And temperatures in the low to mid-30s. That's still a little bit above normal for this time of year. We'll get to 30 for New Year's Eve. That'll be the day. Temperatures will be near 30 degrees. A lot of clouds around, still breezy for a couple of days here after the storm moves by. And then as we get towards the overnight hours, or evening into the overnight, New Year's Eve, the wind lightens up, and we'll see temperatures about mid-20s if you're heading out during the evening hours to celebrate and ring in the new year. As we ring in the new year, how about those temperatures? Upper 30s to about 40 degrees, 20s for lows, and dry conditions with a mix of sun and clouds.